Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I think we're going to go back to basic because I had a lot of subscribers that asked me a special way to make their first attempt at dirty pouring. So I think we have to go back at the simplest way of it all, and meaning you don't have to do a big deal about it, you just have to do it the simple way. There's a lot of way that we did show you in the past with silicone, white glue and everything else, but you know what, the simple ways, it's like we talked a few months ago, the Siqueiros technique, which was a traditional painter, but he's in fact the father of dirty pouring, because he did find that he did explain the reaction between the paint molecule with only water and acrylic. So that's why I'm always telling you that you don't have to go overboard with it. You have to go at it and not be afraid. You know, the worst thing that can happen is that you don't like the finished product that you made. Well, you just have to recycle it and go over it. That's all. That's as simple as that. If you don't like it, well, go over it. There's nothing else to do about it. And well, that's the way you're gonna try. You know what they say, you're gonna achieve what you want through trial and repetition and unforgettable mistake or mishaps. Well, that's not a big deal, and you have to go about it. So that's why today we're gonna go back, like I said, to the basic, because what we did with the Siqueiros technique is that we did put like a fluid acrylic, which was putting the white and then putting over it some colors. That did a great result, but you don't have to do it. And just for the sake of argument and just to show you that anything goes, we're going to do a flip cup. We're going to just mix water with our acrylic, not too much. I think we have the consistency of a bit between the milk and your yogurt. So I think it's the best mixture you can have, but if you put a little bit more, there's no big deal. It's going to do the trick anyway. So, like I said, flip cup, only acrylic and water. We're going to use bright colors, so let's go and see what happens. guys, I don't know about you, but again, I think that we just did again prove that you don't have to go overboard with any kind of product to make something great. I think it looks great, and as I'm talking to you, because of course you see it once dry, but I just finished it about 15 minutes ago, maybe even less, and it's already working. Miracle. It's incredible, because as soon as we did the flip cup, I think it was kind of bland, you know, it wasn't that great, but now there's a lot of cells forming with different colors, and there's a lot of line defining each color. So I think the result again is great. Just again to prove you that you have to go ahead and don't be afraid of making an error, because it's through trial and error that you're going to achieve what you want. And for me, I don't think you can go wrong. Of course, if you don't put enough paint, that's for sure you're going to have a problem. That's why, like I always say, because a lot of people ask me what's the quantity we have to use of acrylic for a specific size of canvas. I don't know, I don't really know. Of course, it's always a big problem, but the way I deal with it is to put more acrylic. It's better than have more than less, that's for sure. So for me, the best way to go about it, and listen, if you put a little bit too much, we're talking about cents. It's not a big cost, difference just to put a little bit more acrylic, just to be sure that you don't miss. You better have more than less, that's for sure. So guys, again, thanks for being there. I hope you like what we did, because again, it's the simplest way and it's one of the best way. The result is great. You don't have to put silicone, white glue, any kind of product to have a great result. Just have fun with it. This time we did a flip cup. A lot of time when you do the Sicarus technique, you can use only fluid paint. You put your white, like I said, then you put colors over it, and you let it sit a few hours. Every minute that's going to go by is going to be different. Something's going to happen and it's going to be different. So for me, I think it's the best way to go at it. I think it's nice. Like I said, it's difficult to go wrong, that's for sure. So guys, like I said, I hope you like it. I hope, of course, you're going to try it, because it's that easy and you're going to have fun. You're going to see it's really fun to see the result, which is different every time. So thanks for being there, guys, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.